My name is Grant Henderson. I'm the Senior Director of Manufacturing Science and Technology at Vernal Biosciences in Colchester, Vermont. So QbDVision has been at Vernal longer than I have, but in general, in my role in industry as a process development engineer, it can be hard to keep track of the information that goes into a CMC. And QbDVision has made that a lot easier by providing a database approach to curating all that information. We use it mainly for keeping track of process parameters, material attributes, the information the software is designed for. And that allows us to sort of do away with the spreadsheets and the various Word docs that we might have been using for that kind of work previously, giving us one source for that information that everybody can go back to. We've recently started using QbDVision for tech transfer because you can set up a project in multiple processes. We can set up a process for both a large scale, a small scale, and we can track how the overall manufacturing process runs in both of those sort of regimes. Vernal has a research use only manufacturing platform as well as a GMP platform. And because we're able to use the tech transfer and the multiple process capability within that single project, we're able to keep those aligned. And that helps as we transition customer projects through their life cycle stages from drug discovery all the way up into GMP. When we use QbDVision now, we're starting and every project comes through, and we're still at the phase where we do things a little bit differently for every single one. But we're coming up with some best practices that what we feel are like with best practices within Vernal, and so we can proceduralize those, streamline it, and create a very rapid standard workflow for when new customer projects come in. Send that information to QbDVision, pull out the reports, and maybe even have them in time for a kickoff, for example, as opposed to as a deliverable that would be 2 or 3 weeks down into the project timeline.